How to log in into H&R Block account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in H&R Block account and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Click on the very first one, website option, account.hrblock.com. Open it. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily log into your H&R account. H&R Block is a provider of consumer tax services worldwide. The company offers tax return preparation services through professional tax preparers in company-owned and franchise retail tax offices and provides H&R Block tax software products for the do-it-yourself consumer. H&R Block provides an exceptionally easy-to-use product to prepare returns for both federal and state taxes. It was founded with the understanding that taxes are more than just numbers on a page, they have a real impact on people's lives. Now to log in, you have to fill this, provide your username, email or mobile number. After you are done, click on continue and in the next page you will need to type in your password. Once you type in your password, click on done. With that, you will be logged into your account. In the case you haven't registered for your account yet, you can click on this option of create account and do that. So that's all for this video. This is how you can easily log in into H&R Block account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.